track.
my god! Next is Badbye. I really like Badbye. It is short, but it is very impactful.
Okay.
Okay. 3.
Can I say that I like this picture?
Of course you can. Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. I'll die.
Kill me softly. 날 상조가 내 trouble. Kill me softly. Kill me softly. Kill me softly. 날 상조가 내 trouble. You and I. You and I cry. You know why I cry. You know why.
I got hate crimed.
Yeah.
I got hate crimed by my.
It really is.
I'm just hate crimed me with a short ass song. No, bro, that was an intro. The song needed to start still. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It's too short.
It's way too short.
It's so good though.
It is
Like I
good.
said, it's short, but isn't it so impactful? Kill me softly.
It's way too short, but I get it.
Everything goes.
So the next one.
Oh, yeah. Oh no, it's no. First, good. Good.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
What? Why?
Okay, let's go.
I'm so sorry. We have to do this again. I could not focus.
Because of the picture. Them Jimmy.
Let me look at the picture.
Okay, no, take your time, baby.
Dragon Eyes Day.
Dragon eyes. You dragon eyes, my dragon eyes.
Okay.
All I need is me. All I need is me. I know. All you need is you. Yeah. All you need is you. You know. 현실 너무 멀구먼 그래도 다리 건너 내게 닿고 싶어 진짜 내게 yeah, 진짜 내게 yeah. All I need is me All I need is me I know But why do I feel lonely I feel so lonely when I'm with me I feel so lonely when I'm with me 살다 보면 비를 받을 수도 있어 그래야 너도 비를 받을 수가 있어 맨날 며칠이 비만 내릴 수도 있어 저 사막에도 비가 내릴 수가 있어 근데 미안한 나를 포기할 수가 없어 내가 아는 날에 난 놓아줄 수가 없어 내 머릿속에 난 이렇게 온전한데 완전 한데 어긋나는 건 너무 아픈 것 겪지 않으면 알 수가 없는 걸내 일상과 현실 너무 멀구먼 그래도 다리 건너 내게 닿고 싶어 진짜 내게 yeah, 진짜 내게 yeah, 진짜 내게 yeah, 진짜 내게 yeah.
Yeah. I think that's my favorite song so far. I want to say so much about this, but that is so dangerous. I really like that song. Ah! What am I kicking? Okay.
Yeah, it really is.
It's such a good song.
Damn, June.
The pen game in this song is so strong. Tin alpaca, yeah, 100%.
Mm-hmm.
What's 100%? Like it's actually crazy. And here it's kind of like super straightforward. Like, obviously I don't know Korean, so I don't know what other extra like wordplay things he puts in there, or like double entendres on like you know when you know a language, when somebody says something like means something else,
Mm-hmm.
but like you have to know the language for that. Like it got lost in translation. Like other than that, like it's so straightforward and it makes so much sense. And I don't know, it's like you said, like if you can relate, then it hits that much harder. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Not say too much. We're gonna keep this stream dry. We're gonna try.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah,
Wait,
I can do it. I see so.
I swear so. You can do it. Everything goes. Are you guys ready for this? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
지나가 언젠가 분명히 확실해 가슴이 오듯이 봄이 가고 여름이 오나 꽃이 짓고 열매가 있듯이 모든 것은 아파야만 해 세상을 안고 숨을 훅 들이마셔봐 내 폐 안에 가득 들어찬 따간 공기가 모든 걸 말해 그래 수없이도 마시고 싶었던 나파고 무뎌지던 오랜 시간들 바로 그 안에 Everyday I pray 내가 좀 더 나은 어른이 될 수 있게 And everyday I stay 사람도 아픔도 언젠가는 죽기에 무뎌지려면 바람을 맞아 하잖아 꿈속에서는 영원할 수가 없잖아 힘내라 부여 말 대신 다 그렇단 거짓말 대신 그저 이 모든 바람처럼 진행해
This is not a song to sit upright for. If that makes sense. You need to be lying down for it on your back.
That one crying memes, like just laying on the back and like tears streaming out of it.
That's the one. That's the one.
That's the one.
That's the one. If there was any doubt that this is 100% my bias, I can't help it. Like, oh, snap. I forgot.
Thank you for following.
Thank you for following. I think we also need to do a dancey dance, maybe? Or did I hear that wrong? I heard it wrong.
Everything goes.
No, it's a song to lay in bed crying to.
It's also being bias ranked by your bias. I have a tattoo that says it will pass. Oh my god, cherry Sokjin.
That's amazing.
Damn.
That's amazing.
It really will pass, guys. Everything will pass.
Damn, Namjoon. Wait. I thought it was funny. Damn, Namjoon knows me. Kind of cute, but kind of scary. How come he knows what to say?
It's really, sometimes they really be saying the words that you need to hear. And then it's just,
honestly,
when it hits the wrong place, like you just start crying.
Honestly, I think it's what makes it so amazing when humans can connect through music. And then you realize, because I always say that, oh my God, I hate people. But then you get stuff like this, like through music, or like through other stuff, through art, or through basically just like little things. You realize, like, oh no, wait, there are some people on this earth that you know.
Some humans are okay.
Some humans are okay.
Yeah.
And it just gives you hope. It gives you hope.
BTS stalking army allegations never beaten. No. Really. And really what I really enjoy and love about the song as well is like it is how do you say it? Kunt dat aanpassen aan elke situatie.
You can apply it to every situation.
Yeah, like in everything. Like it's like I feel like the song is different for everyone because it's like some people look down on it like when they're sad, and some people are like, okay, well, it's hard, but it will pass, you know? Or like some people are like, oh, I'm so happy in this moment, but it will pass. Like everything goes. Like
everything goes, yeah.
Like just how the
positive,
winter,
negative, doesn't matter what it is, it will go.
Yeah, like it's so deep. And it's not like, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like the way that he says it so many times too is like, because it's so many things. Everything passes. Before you know it, like I was 17 listening to it. No, okay, I was 18 listening to the song, and now I'm 23 sitting here in the YouTube studio.
That's so funny
Like-
because like in everything, like that's not even like that long, but like when I look back at when I was 17, that's just crazy. Do you know what I mean? Like 17 years have already passed since that moment. But it's wild because especially that's so interesting that because you were 17 while listening to this. I feel like a lot of impactful things happen when you're 17, and when you're 17 in that moment, everything feels so long. Everything feels like you can't, like, how do I say this? Like time does not pass, and you want to grow up so fast.
And all of a sudden,
Yeah, and then all of a sudden, bro, I'm fucking here.
it's crazy.
Everything
It really is
goes.
crazy.
Everything goes.
Who doesn't we're the same age? Oh, hi, doesn't girl with the same age. Hi, twins.
That's crazy.
I am actually listening to this all laying down, and I almost fell asleep. Like, girl, 23 gang. Hey, let's go. Damn. Wait. Gang, gang. At 17, everything is the end of the world. No, it's so funny how you say that because it really feels like that when you're young. It feels like, oh my god, like how am I gonna survive this? How is it? And it's like so dramatic when you're younger, but like when you're older, it's like, yeah.
Honestly, when I was 17, I wanted things to move quickly, faster. Like it never felt like the end of the world. It felt like everything felt like the beginning. Like I was painfully aware of how little I knew, how little I had experienced. Meanwhile, in comparison to others, like I experienced like way too much. But like at 17, I felt very alone. I don't know. Like every experience was like, can this go? Can this pass? Everything goes.
Yeah.
But then like now it's like, bro, this this moved on so quickly. Like I wanted time to pass. I didn't want it to go this fast though.
Yeah, I know. It's
And I feel like the more you live, the faster things go. But that makes sense.
The more you live, the faster things go for real.
Mm-hmm.
It really is. The more you experience and the more, because once I feel like that transition from being a teenager to young adult, once you've done everything that makes you a young adult,
Yep.
everything is over. Like in my eyes, everything is over in the sense of I'm not like, okay, I've graduated.
Time moves
school,
differently.
I found a job. I got my driver's license. For example, it's not my case, but I found someone that I love and I'm ready to settle. Like everything is over. This is what I've been looking forward to all my life.
Yeah.
So I feel like that's really crazy. But that's why we always have to look for reasons to keep on living, guys. Start a new hobby. Go out for a walk. Go watch a new series. Do something you're scared of, guys. We're not turning into adults that hate their lives, okay?
No, honestly, that's the sickest part. Like even though it's like it will pass and everything goes, like I think it's so important to like stay in the moment. It's so crazy. Like you really, because I feel like we do this a lot. We experience something and then it's gone in the blink of an eye. And we don't revisit it. We don't take the moment. We don't sit down and like reminisce and sit and like really experience, like really talk about like what just happened. Actually, this is not normal that this happened. And we just let it pass by so quickly. Like it was just like,
Everything
okay, this is
goes.
yesterday's news. And this is what I love about listening to BTS and their music and like going through their entire thing is like you can hear in their music that they experience the same exact thing. Like they were just grinding, going through the motions, like doing everything, like accomplish. And then they get to this moment like, wait, now we're here. What do we do? What now? Where do we go? And then they create music that is like, you know what? Let's explore this phenomenon. So yeah.
Sam.
I love when music makes you think and music makes you slow down. I love music that makes you slow down because, and I think especially for Koreans with the pali culture, where everything needs to go hurry, hurry, hurry. It's like everything goes, so you might as well just like relax. Like it passes, but like there's so many, bro. I love my bias. There's so many layers to this shit.
Swear.
There's so many layers to this shit. Like it's actually crazy. And I think
it really is crazy. Look at how we literally started a whole therapy session because of Everything Goes. I love Namjoon. Somebody said Namjooning. Yep.
Namjooning.
We should go for a walk in the nature or go to a museum. Literally, Namjooning is basically going to therapy. I don't care. That word was made
honestly
up
like
as free therapy.
Namjooning for me means
free therapy.
Understanding yourself and learning how to exist in this world.
Yep.
Read a book.
Biking.
Go biking.
Like we're all Namjooning.
Listen to music.
I love that. It's like one of my favorite words. Definitely appreciate the present. I have a gratitude journal where I have to appreciate 3 things about my day, no matter how big or small.
That's dope.
That's so. I respect people that do that. I look up to them so much. I could never I could never keep doing that.
The thing is though, like I do that. Like I have cycles, where I do stuff like that, and then for some reason, either something happens, you get sick, or a bad thing happens to you or something, and then you just fall off, and then you do it again because you want to ground yourself again. You want to like improve your life, get with the program again. So you do that again, and then something happens again and you fall off. And I think that is what life is. You just got to keep trying forever and ever till it all passes.
It really is. The comments are killing me. Oh my God.
What?
Currently we're Namjooning with you guys. Namjoon found a country, started a country, president, and like, oh yeah, he's such a president. He's free therapy. Like, I love this. I love Namjoon appreciation.
Honestly, yeah. He has a song called Bicycle.
Let's continue. That was Everything Goes. I know we have the final song of the album actually already.
Bye. It's already the final song?
And I feel like, did he have an official title track? Was this a title track? Because I always look at Forever Rain as a title track of the album. Because I feel like when the album dropped, this music video also dropped. But it's the last song in the album, so it's a title track, right? Or is it not? Does he not have a title track?
We'll check back in the comment section after.
But anyway, Forever
Premium HD, bro. This is
Premium.
Premium.
Are y'all gonna save the stream? I have to go. Yeah. Of course.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys. Had a pretty bad day at work. Now Namjooning. Oh, the screen is frozen. Bye. It's a good thing we have.
Oh, it's a good thing. You said that. And how do we fix that? How do we fix that? That's crazy. That's crazy.
Why?
It's not frozen for me.
Yeah, we are not frozen, but the lyrics are
No,
green.
look at this. It's not. Do you see it's still at Everything Goes. It's try to refresh. No. So the thing is, you should actually see our software. We are not on the screen for it's still Everything Goes. Goodbye. How do we fix this? Let's see. I have no idea. Oh no. Mac. Okay. Hey guys.
Welcome to the multiverse of madness.
Welcome to Behind the Scenes.
Everything goes. Okay.
I mean, goodbye this one then.
We move.
Can you remove? 안녕. Okay.
Hello, OBS. Okay, it should be good now. Right?
I think.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
I wonder what that issue is. I need to Google that though. Oh shit, that's dope.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 누가 나 대신해 좀 울어줬으면 해서 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로
It's echoing.
What?
Sorry, I killed the vibe totally, but
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, that makes
Echoing.
sense that it's echoing by. How is it echoing though? Oh wait, I'm not. You guys are gonna see the OBS screen again. So sorry. That makes sense. I didn't turn this down.
okay, now it should be gone.
It should definitely be gone.
I'm so sorry.
So sorry, guys.
Should we go back a bit?
Yeah, maybe.
빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로 Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow Forever run 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 비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어 And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어 Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow When it rains it pours When it rains it pours It pours Forever run
Mono. Oh. Susa looks like she's in love. Bye.
Bye. It was too obvious. I had to cover my face. Goodbye.
I want June in ways that are against feminists. Guys are insane.
No, because I feel like Namjoon people really understand me. Wow. It is actually insane. Like, it's crazy how that album fed my soul.
It's healing.
It's not even, I know you guys are saying like it's healing or whatever, like it's not even, it's just good. It's not like I feel healed compared to like
No, it's
whatever, or like that
it doesn't make you feel healed.
I just feel,
It feels like understood.
yes, I feel understood. No, I don't even feel understood. It's like I can relate. I don't feel understood. I feel less alone. If that means, yeah. I feel giddy. I feel like I just got a lot of dopamine. I feel calm. I feel whatever this is. That, whatever that is. That is. It doesn't feel like a hug to me. It feels very much like I am alone in my room, lying on my back, on the ground or on my bed, doesn't matter. I am aware of my surroundings. I'm aware of like that the world is passing me by, and I can feel the stillness of the world. And what I feel is somebody else in the world is doing the exact same thing, and it's okay. That is what I feel.
And June's Twitter. Thank you.
Oh my God. I did that with confidence, girl. I pressed that button with confidence. What the hell? Let me do that again.
Full fingers.
Thank you for subscribing. Woohoo! Oh, crazy.
Thank you for subscribing. And June's.
And June's? Thank you.
Guys, I don't know what's up with me and yawning so much lately, but I'm
Yeah,
not even tired.
you're struggling a lot with that recently.
I don't know.
It's more than usual. Are you tirade?
Tourette.
Are you tirade? Emotionally?
I don't know. You don't even want to go there. Lilith featuring Sugar. It's out.
Hey.
Okay. Thanks for that. Jungkook. Thank you for following. Jungkook. She's like a bike. Too tired. But I know that is. You did that. Wow.
I'm sorry. I wanna
Let's get into into Indigo. Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Guys, okay.
Wait. Before we do. Yesterday I listened to Indigo and I started laughing by myself, imagining your faces listening to it.
Bye. Who here has seen our Yoongi reaction? Because Augustine.
No, I know, but
The
I just said
D-Day.
I just said it because I was like, where are you going with this?
No, just because. Is it that kind of laughing? Or is it like, what are we talking? Are we gonna cry? Are we gonna die? Is this a sexy album? Like, what is
Guys,
it?
you're going to die.
In what way? F4. Thank you.
What?
No.
F? Or no, wait, question. Horses way?
It's both. It's everything. Different genres. All the ways. Wow. Kaja.
Okay.
어딜 가요 결과 내가 앞에 있잖아 딴 생각하는 게 다 눈에 보이는데